Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 24 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. Here is our sketch. It is by Vicky. Not even going to try to pronounce your last name. I am horrible at it. But this is a gorgeous sketch. I'm going to kind of interpret it a little bit different for what I have on photos. It is also the 52-week Everyday Photo Challenge. And again, I interpret that a little bit different because we are moving to Germany. So this was my business trip. Last year, me and a coworker went to Germany on a business trip, and this was pretty much our everyday evenings in Germany. We walked around on the cobblestones, and we sat out and ate. You know, we sampled the beers, just had the cuisine, just everything was super fun. So I'm going to go ahead and document some of those. I have this little Germany adventure by I don't know. I would assume it probably goes with this custom scrapbook customs paper, which is we're going to use just a single sheet for our background. And then I have the Paper House 3D Germany, and then just a pack of some ephemera. We're going to use this right here. This one should come together fairly quickly. And this is copyrighted. I don't think it has a date on it, so backside is just that. But we're going to go ahead and use it because we were actually in Hamburg. Well, we drove through Hamburg. We were in a little town outside of Hamburg called Gstaad. So I'm going to go ahead and take these guys and put them there, and we're going to create a little embellishment here. Per se, we could use them, we could move them this way. But I don't know, I just have something with them sitting right here. Put our embellishment cluster there. Title's already on there, so that is all good. So we don't even need this anymore because, like I said, we're going to interpret this our own way today. Inspiring me with the cluster and the photos. So I'm going to run that off. I like to do that. It makes me feel like that this layout goes on a little bit further than just the 12 by 12 paper that it is on. So we're going to trim those off. And just the very, very edge. And let's see. What do we got? I don't know. I'm kind of like, oof. I have these little bags just everywhere, so I am going to go ahead and see about that one. I don't need that one. We could do, what's Paris? Itinerary might be. We don't need suitcases. We were at JFK. That might work as well. That's Big Ben. That one might work. Okay. So let's see. What do we have? We missed Oktoberfest by like a month. I think it may have even been a couple weeks. I'm going to go ahead and pull this for our cluster to live on. Let's cut some twine. And we are just going to get that on there. And tie a fun little knot. Well, you would think that would be way easier. But it wasn't. Okay. Let me get this one stuck right there. I'll pop this one up on some foam. I'm just using some plain old fun foam. Give it some dimension here. Put that there. And then we've got our World Traveler. Let's just go ahead and put this up here. Make it part of that cluster. And put this one up here as well. Okay. Scrap of Customs. So do this little "You are here," and I am actually going to go ahead and write it's, you know, so sightseeing at dinner time. Will and I made the most of every evening. Normally, I know I don't do the journaling, but I feel like later on in life I'm going to need to know the context. I don't think I will ever forget my first overseas trip. First, definitely not being the last, I would think, but you know, you never know. Put that little guy there. We were on the Autobahn. I do have to remember that because there will be pictures to come. And put that little hat there. And then we're going to add some pearls. And that's going to do it, you guys. How fun and easy is that? I got to pick all this up. It will drive me nuts. But that one was an easy layout. I didn't think I was going to have much of an issue. So we'll go ahead and drop in 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I just have to grab the correct sizes. And one more of that size. I can tell when I get them to flip. They look a different color, and then I need 2 more of this size. That one was relatively easy, right? All right. And then the medium. I'll put the large there. The large there. Medium. Medium. And you guys, that's going to do it for this layout. Germany's beer. There was a lot more beer. There'll be a lot more beer photos. So, by the time we were getting to dinner, it was like early morning, you know, so the majority of our day was over by the time our families and co-worker and everybody stateside was waking up. So it was kind of like, for the most part, we just had to really entertain each other, and he's now like one of my bestest friends at work. So, excuse me. It was definitely a memory. The only thing that would have made it better is if my husband would have been there, but it's all good. So that's going to do it for this layout. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Don't forget to check out the 2 hops down below, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.